Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, please subscribe my channel. Today I am going to show you the two ways how to remove the background of the image. Let's open your Photoshop and open the image. Yeah, this is the image I am going to work on. First of all, you need to unlock your layer by clicking the lock button. Here, this is the lock button. If you click it, it will be unlocked. The layer is unlocked now. Now go to select and color range. Change the color range. Press it. Okay. Here it is only selected like the trees and the leaves. So to remove the background, you have to go back again and select inverse it. When you inverse it, now it's selected all the clouds. After you select this one, make a mask of this layer. Click this button, hold for a while to see here, add layer mask. So I'm going to add the layer mask on this layer. So when clicking on this, you can see that the background has been removed and the mask has been added. This is one way to remove the background. Let's go to the another way. I'm closing this image and opening the image again to see the another way. Again, first of all, unlock this layer. Now the second way is to remove the background by channel method. So go to window, select channels and select the blue, and then make the copy of this blue channel. You can make a copy either by right click on it and duplicate channel, or drag and drop it here on the plus. Drag and drop on the plus. Here the channel has been duplicated. Now we go change the label of this channel. Go to image adjustment and label, or you can do Ctrl plus. When you go here, change the label, you can see that the clouds is all changed into white. Press it. Okay. Now make the selection of this layer by clicking the button down here with the circle. Here the selection of the layer has been selected. Select this one. Now you have to go to the layer and again make it inverse and make the marks of this layer. Here the background has been deleted. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe my video.